Welcome friends. In previous tutorial we saw a toolbox. In this tutorial we will learn about gallery of selection tools. Tool divided into four groups. 1. Gallery of selection tools. 2nd. Gallery of drawing and type tools. 3rd. Gallery of transformation tools. 4th. Gallery of modification and navigation tools. Selection tools, direct selection tool, page tool and gap tool are consist in gallery of selection tools. First of all we see selection tools. It is used for selecting an entire object. This is the example of selection tool. Here object is select with selection tool. Second, direct selection tool. It is used for selecting a point on a path or a content within a frame. This is the example of direct selection tool. Here object is select with direct selection tool. We can select path, segment and anchor points. Third tool is page tool. It is used for create multiple page sizes within a document. Here 3 pages are exist. Its size consists as document wise. Fourth one is gap tool. It is used for adjust the space between two objects. Here some objects are given. It is make a space between two objects. Now open the Adobe InDesign CS5. Here we using trial version, so click on continue trial. Then click on document and set up the page. This is our workspace. Now here toolbox are given. We can drag the toolbox like this type. We can easily move the toolbox. First tool, which is select tool. It is used for selecting entire object. For example, we draw a round circle. We can select this circle using selection tool. We can resize the object. We can move it this object using selection tool in 360 degree. We can move it anywhere. Selection tool shortcut key is V. Now second tool is the direct selection tool, which is used for select a point on a path or content within a frame. We can easily move the object points. This tool make objects new look. Direct selection tool shortcut key is capital A. Third tool is page tool, which is used for create multiple page sizes within a document. Fourth tool, which is gap tool, which is used for adjust the space between two objects. Thank you. In next tutorial, we will learn about gallery of drawing and type tools.